Next we are going to see next conic, that is ellipse. Ellipse, a conic with eccentricity less than unity, is called ellipse. An ellipse is a locus of a point whose distance from the fixed point. That fixed point is called focus, we already know. And the fixed straight line. That fixed straight line is called directrix, or in a constant ratio E, which is less than unity, that is 1. So 0 less than E less than 1. An ellipse is a set of all points in a plane such that the sum of the distance from two fixed points is a constant. The fixed points are called foci, plural, right? Focus, foci of the ellipse. Ellipse has two focus, right? So if S and S dash are the fixed points, right? S and S dash, P1, P2, P3, etc. are the set of points such that, right, we are choosing 3 points, right? The distance P1S, P1S dash, P2S, P2S dash, P3S, P3S dash. Sum of P1 F1 plus P1 F2, which is equal to P2 F1 plus P2 F2, which is equal to P3 F1 plus P3 F2, which is equal to a constant. Then the path passes through the points P1, P2, P3 is, that is the locus of the point P. P1, P2, P3 is an ellipse. The fixed point S and S dash are called foci, focus 1, focus 2, right? The sum of the distance of a point P on an ellipse from two fixed points S and S dash is greater than the distance between the two fixed points S, S dash, right? So P is any point, PS and PS dash is the distance. So the distance SP plus S dash P is greater than the distance between S and S dash, SS dash, right? Equation of the ellipse in standard form. Let S be the focus and L be the corresponding directrix. So this is the focus, this is the directrix. Let E be the eccentricity. E lies between 0 to 1. Z be the foot of the perpendicular from S on the directrix L. Join S, the point S and the directrix L. It meet at Z. That is the length of the perpendicular, right? Let PXY be the moving point. So consider PXY any movement. Draw PM perpendicular to the directs. So draw a perpendicular line from P to L, right? PM. So let A and A dash be the point which divides the line SCZ. So SCZ is a line segment, and A and A dash, we are choosing 2 points on that line which divides the line segment SCZ internally and externally in the ratio E is to 1 respectively. So we are choosing A. A is internal division and A dash is external division of the line segment SCZ, right? Let A dash is equal to 2A, right? The distance is 2A. Draw a perpendicular bisector to A dash which meets A dash at C. So now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. So exactly divide A dash, right? So at the point C is the midpoint of A and A dash, right? So this is the right. Since C is the midpoint of A dash, CA which is equal to CA dash which is equal to 2A by 2, that is equal to A, because we know A dash is equal to 2A. Let us take C as the origin. So we are taking C 0, 0, right? Origin. Let CZ produced as x-axis. So the extended line CZ is the x-axis, and right, XX dash, and the perpendicular bisector A dash. So it passes through C, right? That is the y-axis, right? That extension line. Join SP, right? Since SA is to AZ is equal to E is to 1. A divides the line SCZ line segment internally in the ratio E is to 1. So SA by AZ is equal to E. SA is equal to EAZ. CA minus CE, yes, right? We are taking CA minus CES, that is equal to, that is SA, right? SA can be written as CA minus CS, that is equal to E into, now AZ can be written as CZ minus CA. So CA is A minus CS, which is equal to E into CZ minus CA is A minus A. That is equation number 1. Now we are taking A dash. A dash divides the line segment SEZ in the ratio, externally in the ratio E is to 1. So S A dash is to A dash Z is equal to E is to 1. SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E. SA dash, which is equal to E A dash Z. SA dash can be written as A dash C plus C plus C, CS, right? Which is equal to E into A dash Z can be written as A dash C plus C Z. So A plus CS, which is equal to E into A plus CZ. That is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. A minus CS plus A plus CS, which is equal to E into CZ minus A plus E into A plus CZ. So CS minus CS plus CS on the left hand side get cancelled. A plus A 2A, which is equal to, on the right hand side, multiply with the ECZ minus EA plus EA plus CZ. So minus EA plus EA get cancelled, remaining 2ECZ. So 2A is equal to 2ECZ. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So A is equal to ECZ. So CZ is equal to A by E. So that is equation number 3. Now 2 minus 1. A plus CS minus A minus CS, which is equal to E into A plus CZ minus E into CZ minus A. So A plus CZ, CS minus A minus into minus plus CS, which is equal to EA plus ECZ minus ECZ minus into minus plus EA. So A minus A get cancelled on the left hand side. So 2CS on the left hand side. On the right hand side, ECZ minus ECZ get cancelled on the right hand side. So remaining we are having 2EA. So 2 get cancelled. CS is equal to EA. So that is equation number 4. So the coordinate of S is on the x-axis, right? So its y coordinate always 0. Then the x distance is CS, right? The point S is from the distance CS from the center C, right? So S CS comma 0. So using 4, the coordinate of S is EA comma 0, right? So, and coordinate of M, we are talking about M x distance CZ and y distance ZM or MZ, right? So the coordinate of M is, so CZ is A by M and y coordinate is ZM, right? So now ZM, which is equal to PQ, and draw a line, parallel line, right? PQ, right? So PQ, that is nothing but y, because y distance of P, right? So the coordinate of M, A by E comma y, right? Now the coordinate of A, CA comma 0, that is A comma 0. Coordinate of A dash, CA dash comma 0, that is minus A comma 0, right? So the path is ellipse, right? The moving point path, locus of the point P. From the definition of conics, SP by PM is equal to E, SP is equal to E PM, SP square is equal to E square PM square. That is equation number 5. Now SP, the distance formula, right? Root of y minus 0 the whole square plus x minus EA the whole square. So SP square is equal to y minus 0 the whole square plus x minus EA the whole square. So SP square is equal to y square plus x square plus E square A square minus 2EAX. That is equation number 6. So PM, right, that is equal to distance formula, y minus y the whole square plus x minus A by E the whole square. So PM square is equal to y minus y the whole square 0 plus x minus A by E the whole square, x square plus A square by E square minus 2xA by E. Now that is equation number 7. From 5, 6 and 7, y square plus x square plus E square A square minus 2xEA, which is equal to E square into x square plus A square by E square minus 2xA by E. That is y square plus x square plus E square A square minus 2xEA, which which is equal to multiplying with e on the right hand side. So e square x square plus e square a square by e square minus e square 2xa by e. That is y square plus x square plus e square a square minus 2xa, which is equal to e square x square. E square get cancelled, numerator and denominator on the right side. So plus e square minus e square and e get cancelled, right? Remaining 2xae. So y square plus x square plus e square a square, which is equal to e square x square plus a square, because minus 2xe on the left hand side of the equality and the right hand side of the equality get cancelled. So y square plus x square plus e square a square minus e square x square, right, minus a square equal to 0. So y square plus, so we are grouping x square and a square terms. So x square into 1 minus e square, right, the fourth term, and a square into the third term and the last term, e square minus 1. So y square plus x square 1 minus e square, which is equal to minus a square e square minus 1. So y square plus x square into 1 minus e square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So divided by a square into 1 minus e square. So y square by a square into 1 minus e square plus x square into 1 minus e square by a square into 1 minus e square, which is equal to a square into 1 minus e square by a square into 1 minus e square. So y square by a square into 1 minus e square plus x square by a square equal to 1. So this is equation number 8. Since 0 less than e less than 1, e square is less than 1, right? E square less than 1, 1 minus e square is greater than 0, right? So a square into 1 minus e square is greater than 0. Let it be b square, right? So 8 implies x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is the locus of the point P x y, which is the standard equation of the ellipse, right? Let S dash be the image of S and Z dash M dash be the image of Zm. So taking same on the left hand side of the ellipse, right, same as the right hand side. So instead of Z we are taking Z dash, instead of A you are having A dash, right? Symmetric, right, this is. And similarly we are taking M dash instead of M, so we will get L dash, another directrix. So S dash be the focus, Z dash M dash is the corresponding directrix. And the corresponding equation of the ellipse, same, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So for every ellipse there are 2 foci and 2 corresponding directrix. So now b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. The e lies between 0 and 1. So 1 minus e square less than 1. A square into 1 minus e square less than a square, multiplying with a square on the both side. So b square is always less than a square. So b is less than a in this case, right? Thanks.